Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae and I am returning to review on my 3.5 year Microloc journeys. Alrighty guys, so it's been roughly 3.5 years and it looks like I have not posted a video in about a year or a little bit over a year. So I am giving you guys an update today because I haven't had that many changes. As you can see, there is an obscene amount of growth since the beginning of my Microloc journey. If you would like to view that, please click on the iCard above. But I haven't did many changes to my hair. I'm still only using water as my main product to moisturize my locks. I don't use any oils. I have very oily skin, so I just don't choose to use oils. They go down the hair shaft and they get on my face, and I can't have that. So that is my reasoning for not using oils. Other than that, I would use a liquid oil to moisturize my locks, but it just doesn't work for me. Water has been very well, and I take a vitamin to internally grow my hair and keep it moisturized. I also have added this As I Am rice water to my regimen. So on the wash days, I will saturate my hair with this before shampoo, and then sometimes I condition. Now with conditioner, I dilute my conditioner with water so that it doesn't get stuck into my tiny locks. I also am still using a refreshing water. This one is Herbal Essence Curl Refresh Mist, Mango and Aloe, and this just adds fragrance to my locks, also a little moisture. And then on nights when I am going out or I just want to smell really yummy, I will add Bath and Body Works a fragrant mist instead of a perfume into my hair. I used to add perfume into my hair, and sometimes I still do if I'm really trying to be very potent in the smell, or it just depends on the event, or like a date night. Definitely will add it to my hair, but you're not really supposed to add perfume or really mist because it's very drying. But I haven't had any breakage due to this, and also I don't do it on a daily basis, but that is something that I do to basically smell lovely, because locks definitely do hold smells. As far as my edges, I do perm them from time to time, and I use Got2b glue gel. This is my go-to, the only thing I really use to hold and set my edges. I do perm my edges like every 3 months. I was doing it a little more often, like a month and a half, and my edges started to fall out. So personally, many people in the lock community frown upon it. However, it's my hair. I'm gonna do what I want, and I have a certain look in mind that I like to do, and I like to perm my edges, swirl them up with some gel, and it works for me. So that's something that I'm still currently doing. I also, to spice things up, I had ordered these hair jewels, and I add them to some of my locks to add a little pizzazz. They're so cute. I will definitely link it down in the description box, but I definitely will add gems like this to my locks, and it definitely gives me another look as well. So other than that, I don't have a very deep update. Also, I will say that I did combine locks on the sides. My hair was thinning due to the postpartum from having my daughter 3 years ago, and the effect of the smaller locks were starting to break, and I just want to retain length. That was my initial goal when I started my lock journey, and so I needed to combine some of the locks on the side. My hair is more fine on the sides. I lack density on the sides. I always have. So the combination of postpartum hair loss and time made the locks thin in the middle towards that time of postpartum. So I went ahead and intertwined and interlocked and combined the locks on, I believe, like 2 rows on each side. So I will add in my lock count due to that as well. They still look pretty thin in the front due to the postpartum, as you can see, but in the back area, you know, they're still giving. So hopefully within a few more years it grows and grows and grows. I still have the lock that I had to basically start over with. It's grown pretty substantially. I do have a lock here in the front that I just don't want to let go. That postpartum in the front it really did a number on me, but I just don't want to let it go. So I am still struggling with that. Other than that, my hair has been growing and flowing pretty well. For my birthday, I definitely tried something new and I ironed out my locks for the first time. I added a heat protectant and I ironed them to see the length. I have seen other lock influencers who have tried that. I will not implement that into like a monthly or daily routine. It will definitely be one of those once a year type of deals. But that's another thing that's frowned upon. But me, I'm gonna do what I want to do. This is my hair. I started it, I've maintained it exclusively, so I'm gonna do what I want to do, and it's worked for me so far. So other than that, some cons. The cons are still roughly the same. I'm still dealing with a lot of frizz at the top. I will usually, when I do my retie, I will take a strand, wrap those loose hairs around the lock, and then retie it. And after I spritz some water on it, it still usually fluffs out. It is what it is. It comes with locks, so I just deal with it. Now when I ironed out my locks, those little frizzies were a little bit better. I will never cut them because it just will weaken the lock. I will continue to twist them around the lock. Sometimes I even try to braid it, the small little hairs, I try to braid it around the lock to, you know, take down the frizziness, but it just is what it is. So other than that, I just wanted to come and give you guys a quick update. I am a mom. I am working, so I don't really have the time to give a lot of updates or do a lot of YouTube videos, but I just had to give you guys this update and let you guys know what's going on with my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like, definitely subscribe to continue to watch my lock journey. I don't plan on cutting them or getting rid of them. I have not cut them. I have not dyed them. Don't plan to. So this is literally my hair natural with just water as my moisturizer. And so just continue to lock in with this journey with me. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Have a good one.